Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to uninstall an application from your iPhone. So basically, uninstalling the application that you rarely use can help you get an extra space on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just find out what applications that we want to uninstall. For example, I would like to uninstall this Text ID since I really rarely or seldom using the application. So you just need to go click and hold the application with little bit move, and after that there will be appear this symbol and the application will gonna start shaking. You just need to go click this minus symbols, and then there will be appear an information here that a question: do you want to remove the text ID from your only from your library or home screen or in your phone? So you just need to go click delete applications since we want to uninstall the applications. And now just to confirm that deleting this application will also delete the data. Are you okay with this deal? And if you okay with, and deals with this, just need to click delete. And now this application is already deleted and removed from your iPhone. You can do the same for the rest of application that you want to uninstall so that you can get like extra space on your phone. That's all the way how to uninstall an iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is like get useful, well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.